Hello everyone, this is K.Hrushikesh Reddy. I am from Section 15 and my roll number is 21CS30028. Today we are going to take a look at disassembly and reassembly of this mouse. I have connected my laptop to my computer through a HDMI port. You can see my display over here. Let's take a look at the initial condition of the mouse. You can see the LED light glowing, the cursor working, and also the scroll bar working perfectly. Now let me disconnect the USB so that we can open the back part of the mouse. In order to disassemble this mouse, we need to open this screw, and I'm going to use this screwdriver for that. Now let us take a look at the internal parts of the mouse. This over here is a printed circuit board or PCB. This is a 5mm LED bulb and this is the lens. This is known as CMO sensor. This is a capacitor and these are all resistors. This is the right click component of the mouse and the left click component of the mouse. This is a scroll wheel, and here lies a very important part of the mouse known as Z encoder, which basically senses the scrolling of this wheel and notifies the computer to scroll the page. Now let us take a look at the back side of the board. This is the IC part of the mouse, and this over here is the back side of CMO sensor. Now let us take a look at the functioning of this lens. What basically happens over here is red light is being emitted through this LED bulb, which gets dispersed through this lens, and we get to see that light through externally as red light. The light intensity varies as we move our mouse from left to right through this CMO, and that variation basically notifies the system to move the cursor. That is the working of mouse. Let me reassemble it. Let me put the cursor back on and scroll bar. Let us attach the USB and check if the light is coming or not. As you can see, the light over here is glowing, which gets dispersed through this lens, and when I move this, the intensity through this CMO sensor varies. That basically moves the cursor. Let me reassemble this, and we are going to look at the final functioning. Now I am going to reassemble the mouse by tightening the screw, and we are going to check the functioning of the mouse for one last time. Let me reattach the USB. As you can see, the LED is glowing good, and the scroll bar is also working perfectly. Let's check the functioning of cursor. It is also working perfectly. Thank you.